Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about gravity and gravitation and Newton's law of gravitation. First of all, we will discuss gravity and gravitation. As we know that each object in the universe attract each other with some force. So the force of attraction between two bodies in the universe is called gravitation, and this phenomenon is called force of gravitation. While the attraction of force between earth and another body is called gravity, and this phenomenon is called force of gravity. Now we will discuss Newton's law of gravitation. According to Newton's law of gravitation, everybody in the universe attract each other with some force, and this force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. With Newton's this law, we will discuss or we will find out the force between two objects in the universe. The Newton's this law is also called universal law of gravitation. So now we are going to find out the force between two objects in the universe. Let the two objects or two bodies of masses m1 and m2 respectively and the distance between them is r. Let the force of attraction is F. These are two bodies m1 and m2, and the distance between them is r. They attract each other with a force F. So according to Newton's law of gravitation, force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, means F proportional to m1 m2. This is equation number 1, and F proportional to the inversely proportional to the square of distance. So distance is r, square of distance r square. So this is 2. From equation 1 and 2, F proportional to the m1 m2 upon r square, or F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square, where g is the universal constant. The value of g G is the universal constant. And G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is the value of G. Now, if M1 is equal to 1 kg, M2 is equal to 1 kg, and R is equal to 1. We have already find out the formula of force between two objects. Now we are going to define G. So from here, from this equation, F is equal to G into 1 upon 1 square. So F is equal to G. From here we can say that G is F. So now we are going to define G. So G is the attraction of force between two objects, or universal constant is the attraction of force between two objects of masses 1 kg each, and they are placed at unit distance. So that is the gravitational constant of force, or universal constant. So today we discussed gravity and gravitation and Newton's law of gravitation. That's all. Thank you.